Welcome to Green Technology, where raw waste meets extreme industrial power. Subscribe for more giant shredders, brutal crushers, recycling machines, and heavy equipment transforming chaos into reusable material every day. Who in their right mind crushes million-dollar supercars with an excavator? Yet under a clear blue sky, a yellow machine lowers its steel claw onto a McLaren, a Mercedes, and a Lotus like they are nothing more than scrap cans. No explosions, no movie effects, just cold hydraulic force tearing luxury apart piece by piece. Sometimes the boldest statement is not what humans build, but what they are willing to destroy. Bulky waste stands no chance against the Terminator 6000. Powered by a massive 518 horsepower engine and a brutal single-shaft design, this machine devours couches, pallets, beams, and construction debris without hesitation. Everything fed into the chamber disappears into pure mechanical violence. Vehicle dismantling has evolved far beyond simple scrapyards. Equipped with a rotating 360-degree grapple and precision hydraulic jaws, this excavator strips end-of-life vehicles in under 3 minutes. Doors, engines, wiring, and panels are removed with surgical speed. It looks destructive, but every movement is calculated for maximum recycling efficiency. One moment, the log is solid timber. Seconds later, it becomes a river of sawdust. The SM5025E wood shredder crushes logs up to 250 millimeters wide, using high torque power and slow rotating cutters designed for non-stop industrial operation. Clean cuts, consistent output, and relentless performance make it a monster inside any woodworking facility. The Doosan excavator feeds entire trees into the massive CBI 6000. 800 grinder-like nature itself is being erased in real time. Branches, trunks, and tangled roots vanish into the hopper, while over 1,000 horsepower turns wood into mulch within seconds. No sparks, no drama, just rhythm, torque, and industrial appetite. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. The Bubba 80RM chipper turns giant logs into flying streams of wood chips with terrifying efficiency. Hydraulic cranes load thick timber into dual rollers that drag the wood toward a massive drum chipper spinning at full force. Chainsaws simply cannot compete with this level of production. Green waste piles disappear quickly when the Comtech Crambo 5000 starts working. Wet branches, roots, leaves, and organic debris are shredded before advanced screening systems separate usable material with precision. What looks like industrial chaos is actually a carefully engineered recycling process designed for speed and recovery. The JCH 250 mobile crusher transforms wrecked vehicles into compact steel cubes using 250 tons of hydraulic pressure. Entire cars collapse in less than a minute. Twisted metal becomes manageable, scrap ready for transport and recycling. Italian engineering meets raw forestry power with the Pezzolato PTH 900 chipper. Fed by a Palfinger crane and powered by a heavy-duty tractor, the machine processes thick cherry logs continuously while producing mountains of clean biomass chips. These machines are not just cutting wood, they are converting forests into industrial fuel. Dual shaft shredders attack cardboard, scrap metal, and industrial waste with relentless torque. Cold forged steel teeth rotate slowly but violently, tearing through material while maintaining controlled temperatures and stable operation. Every turn reduces disorder and creates recyclable value. The JP Carlton 1000 290 wood chipper destroys branches up to 9 inches thick with astonishing speed. Compact, mobile, and powered by a high-speed disc system, it converts messy job sites into clean mulch fields within minutes. A massive gravel screening plant sorts tons of raw stone every hour. Conveyor belts roar while vibrating decks separate rock into perfectly graded material. Controlled chaos becomes construction-ready aggregate almost instantly. If you enjoy watching powerful and perfect machines, remember to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most impressive and amazing technologies from around the world. Inside a rock crushing plant, a jammed boulder halts production for only a moment. A worker steps in with a sledgehammer while giant jaws wait to come alive again. Then suddenly the entire machine roars back to life, crushing stone with explosive force. Rock processing is not just brute strength. It is timing, coordination, and calculated risk. Massive brush shredders swallow tangled branches like steel predators. Hydraulic feed rollers drag entire piles inward, while rotating cutters tear through thick limbs with mechanical aggression. Watching these systems work feels less like recycling and more like controlled industrial warfare. Metal shredders powered by 200 horsepower motors reduce scrap frames into twisted fragments at incredible speed. Conveyors never stop moving as steel disappears under rotating blades. Nothing escapes the machine once it enters the chamber. High horsepower debarkers rip through heavy timber continuously, stripping bark and preparing logs for industrial processing. Excavators feed log after log into rotating drums while wood explodes outward in streams of chips and debris. Then comes the strangely satisfying destruction. A coconut rolls confidently toward the crusher before steel jaws close instantly around it. Moments later, a watermelon explodes into pieces under pure hydraulic pressure. There is something hypnotic about watching ordinary objects vanish under industrial force. Motorcycles meet the same fate. Aluminum frames twist apart, forks snap like dry branches, and tires disappear beneath rotating teeth. The machine shows no hesitation. In a world overwhelmed by waste, destruction becomes the first step toward renewal. The HT-104 Predator stump grinder tears ancient buried roots apart with raw horsepower. Thick hardwood, compact soil, and decades-old stumps are shredded into mulch as the machine reshapes the terrain one bite at a time. If you love technology, incredible power, and amazing footage, please support the channel by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more amazing machine videos every day. Industrial shredders like the BHS VSR 1215 destroy washing machines, appliances, and white goods effortlessly. Twin shafts rotating at controlled speed crush metal shells into recyclable scrap, while electric motors deliver massive torque with smooth consistency. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Finally, the Albach Diamant 2000 arrives like a monster unleashed. Packing nearly 800 horsepower, this self-propelled wood chipper devours massive logs and transforms them into clean biomass chips at unbelievable speed. It is not simply fast, it is industrial domination on wheels.